Sri Lanka is going through the worst financial crisis in its history, and the solution to this imploding crisis does not seem in sight. The political turmoil that the country is going through needs to be resolved before catering to the financial crisis in the country. With the state of emergency declared in the island country and the president having fled the crisis-ridden nation, reports suggest that Sajith Premadasa is expected to be the next leader of the country. The lack of trust in the current leadership is evident from the swell of protests on the streets of Colombo against the Rajapakshas, Ranil Wickremesinghe, and the Speaker. There are three candidates who are in the fray to become the next Prime Minister: Ranil Wickremesinghe, Dullas Daham Kumar, Alahe Peruma, and Sajith Premadasa. Sajith Premadasa of the SJB alliance has 53 MPs in favour of him becoming the next leader of the country. Sajith Premadasa, a former member of Wickremesinghe's UNP and now the head of Samagi Jan Balavegaya alliance, in a media interview said that he would contest the elections only after the resignation of Gotabaya. He is the son of Rana Singhe Premadasa, who was assassinated by the LTTE, who served as the Prime Minister from 1978 to 1988 and as the President from 1989 to 1993 of Sri Lanka. In fact, he has said in the past that the country's major challenge of security comes from alienation of minorities. This position of his could get him the needed Tamil support during voting. While numbers don't favour Sajith Premadasa as of now, and he may or may not be able to swing the numbers in the upcoming voting for the president, he is certainly the biggest face for the country and can play a key role in bringing the country out of this crisis.